Tired of getting sidetracked by distracting websites while you're trying to work or study? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to block websites directly in Google Chrome, so you can boost your productivity and stay focused. This process uses Chrome's settings and extensions, ensuring a tailored browsing experience. Let's get started. First, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. This opens the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will open a new tab with Chrome's Settings page. In the Settings search bar, type Content Restrictions. This will take you to a section where you will be able to block specific websites. Since Chrome does not offer this option directly, you will need to download an extension in the Chrome Web Store. Search for a website blocker extension. To popular choices are BlockSite or Stay Focused, but feel free to choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've found your desired extension, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation window will pop up. In the confirmation window, click Add Extension. The extension will download and install automatically. You'll see the extensions icon appear in your Chrome toolbar now. Click on the extensions icon. Enter the URL of the website you want to block in the designated field. Then click the block button or the equivalent, depending on the extension. Repeat this step for any other websites you want to block. The website is now blocked. When you try to visit a blocked website, the extension will prevent the page from loading, and some extensions will even redirect you to a more useful site. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked websites in Google Chrome, helping you stay focused and productive. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.